Hi guys, welcome back to Thea's World. Hope you all are doing good. I am back with another vlog, that is we are traveling in a jetty boat from Fort Kochi. You can see the beautiful passage which connects us to buy the tickets to travel in the boat. Here is Theo, super excited to travel in the jetty boat. Here is the ticket counter and the ticket price is 6 rupees per person, and there is no online payment, there is only cash. So if anybody is traveling, please do keep cash in your pocket so that it might be easy for you to purchase the ticket without any problem. And here is myself, I'm standing in the queue. I have purchased the ticket and about to board the boat. And here is my mom and Theo saying hello, and this is the boat which has been arrived, so people are waiting to get into the boat. Here you can see the boat in charge is parking the boat, and once the boat is parked, the people who have boarded the boat from Ernakulam are getting down the boat one by one, and the boat carries a bicycle as well. It's so convenient for the bicycle persons to board into jetty boat, and here the now the people are getting into the boat to go to Ernakulam. Here what I have noticed is like they follow the rules in a systematic way. It's very nice that they follow the rules. And here like all the people are getting into the boat from front as well as from behind the boat. I have boarded the boat from back the stage, and this is the view from the boat. I have captured. It's a beautiful scenery actually. So I was entering the boat, like all the people are getting settled. They are taking their seats, and the boat is full with the people. The people are also friendly in Kerala. What I have noticed in the boat is like there are two pilots and two in charge of the boat, and you can see the windows of the boat. The people are saying hello, so sweet of them, and this is the this is a beautiful view which have been captured from boat the boat scenes and the water. It's so peaceful when you travel in the boat, especially these trees, and the water is so huge, and the building just nearby to the water. So nice to see the building, and the boat is just going endlessly. I was feeling so happy, so relaxed, so peaceful to see these hut houses, trees. My mom saying hello, and she's super excited traveling the boat, seeing the view from the boat. Here you can see like we have the boat is taking a stop, like it's boarding some people from this stop as well. It's so nice to see feel the experience of boating in Kerala. So this jetty boat is run by the government of Kerala with an affordable price of 6 rupees per person. Like it depends upon the distance. The person who can travel every day. And here is the final destination where we need to get down. That is Ernakulam station. So this is the parking point for all the jetty boats, and this is the jetty boats view. It's so beautiful, and we love traveling in jetty boat always. Here is the exit for the journey of the jetty boat, and that's it guys for today's video. Stay tuned. If you like my video, please like, share, and until we meet again in another video, be happy and keep smiling. Take care.